Hi everyone, welcome to my test of the GoPro Hero 8 in Timewarp mode. This is the first time I've tried it other than just going up and down the street to see what the quality is like, so I wasn't sure of what would look good with what speed. I set this up on a 15 times setting in the GoPro. It's showing all the scenery as you can see on the screen, but it's too fast. I'm sitting close to the computer screen and I'm almost getting motion sickness watching all this go past. So while it would document a really big journey, it's going to obviously be a little bit too quick.
Welcome. I'm not sure how the sound's going to go on this because I don't have an external mic. I did say I was going to be on the road next time you saw me. Not taking any photographs today, just a little bit overcast, want a little bit more contrast in the shots I'm going to take, but I wanted to test out the time warp feature on this camera. What you've seen at the moment is a 15 times time warp. I'm going to change it when I finish this. I'm going to change it to 30 times and head back the way I came. There's just a suspicious looking ute at the bottom of Upper Sturt Road. I want to check out to see if that's a speed camera or not. Now I wasn't speeding, but just I'll be curious about it for the rest of the time. So hopefully you can hear me. There's a good test of the microphone on the front of this, even though it's in a protective cover, but hopefully you'll be able to hear what I'm saying. I do need to get one more little adapter for this because the handlebars are slightly bent. This is not facing directly frontwards, it's pointing a little bit to the left, and I'd like to get one more little adapter that I can change it like in 180 degrees, because where I've got it clamped it's either going to be a bit of an angle or worse of an angle. So that's something to do this afternoon. Head to the shop, seeing if I can get a cheap little third-party adapter for this thing. But anyway, alright, I hope you enjoy the ride, enjoy the beautiful scenery of the Adelaide Hills. I'm going to turn this back to 30, head back the same way. I was going to go further, but I've just got that curiosity about that car down the bottom and the fact that my low petrol light's going on. Everything's all at once. So I will talk to you a little bit later. Enjoy the scenery, and we'll see what the 30 times time warp's like on the way back down. When I get back down to the bottom of Upper Sturt Road, I'm going to change it down to 10 times and then do the final journey back to Blackwood. Alright, enjoy the ride. Cheers.
Now I'm liking this 10 times speed, but please leave a comment if you got any suggestions, whether you think it should be faster or slower. Perhaps it's just good speed for the hills, perhaps I need faster for the open road. Time will tell. The only shake in the video that I can see is when I stopped behind that white car waiting to move out because it was close and we were still. The car just shimmied a little bit, but other than that, a pretty good video quality. Very, very impressed with the Hero 8.